Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about some tests which are used to identify rupture of membrane, or which are used to sometimes used to identify the preterm delivery. Okay. So what are those tests? So let's see. So first one is, so what is a fibronectin? Fibronectin is nothing but it is a glue kind. Say for example, we have the uterus and we have the fetus, right? Okay. And there is a glue which is present between the fetus and the uterus, which is so the detailed explanation is not necessary. You just have to remember that there is a glue kind which is present between the fetus and the uterus. It is a kind of glue which acts exactly almost similar to glue, like it is holding the fetus with the uterine wall. So now that is the fibronectin. So if a person can detect fibronectin in the vaginal fluid, what does it mean? It means that it is going to give away any time. So many studies have been done, and it is found that if fibronectin is found in the vaginal secretion, then it means that they can have a preterm labor in the forthcoming 2 weeks. So that is the use of fibronectin. Then again we can find the pH. So what is the pH? So generally the amniotic fluid pH is alkaline. So whenever there is, if we collect the vaginal secretion, and if but the vaginal, so what is the normal vaginal secretion? The vaginal pH is acidic. Okay, so this is a concept. Amniotic is alkaline. So we are supposed to test with the nitrazine paper. So what is a nitrazine paper? Nitrazine paper is generally yellow or orange in color. So if there is an amniotic fluid, that is if an alkaline comes in contact with this orange nitrazine paper, then it can get converted to blue, because alkaline generally it gets converted to blue, right? So this is how we can diagnose it. Fine. And the third thing by which we can diagnose if there is a rupture of membrane is fern pattern. So we need to collect the fluid, the secretion, and then view it allow it to dry, and then view it under the light microscope. Normally if we see a fern pattern or a feathery pattern, once it is dried or like salt being deposited, then it is most likely to have a amniotic fluid. That's how the amniotic fluid generally presents. But this is not very much accurate, because the cervical mucus will also present with this fern kind of pattern. So once if you are doing this fern pattern, then that has to be accompanied with either of these tests, either fibronectin or nitrazine paper test. Fine. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.